In this video I will show you how to copy files from one Linux system to another Linux system using SCP command. Okay, so here I have two systems, that is node 1, this is my node 1 system, and this is my node 2 system. Okay, so let's say I'm copying file from node 1 to node 2. Okay, for this let's say in this path, home path, there is no files. Let's say I will create one file. Okay, so I will create one.txt. okay, so I have created one file. So in my second node home folder, there is nothing available in the home folder also. So here this one.txt I have to copy from this node 1 to node 2. So okay, for this I will use scp command. Okay, so scp -r, so file name, which file, what is the file name we are going to copy, so that is one.txt. then to where you want to copy, that is root of second node. Okay, so root @IP of the second node 192.168.29.106. this is my IP of my second node. Okay, then so where you want to copy, the path name we have to mention, that is home path I have to copy. Okay, scp -r, the file name, root @IP address of second node, colon, and the path name. Okay, so this is the command. So click on enter. So it will ask the password of second node. Okay, you have to give the password of second node. Okay, so I will give the password, then enter. Okay, now the file has been copied. Okay, so 100%. so now we will check in the second node the file is available or not. Okay, so now I'm in a home folder in second node, so click on ls. So now the file is copied to second node. So in this way you can copy the file from one node to another node in Linux system. Okay, thank you guys.